Amid growing geopolitical instability, the Eurofighter Typhoon consortium plans a sharp increase in fighter jet production. At the 2025 Paris Air Show, CEO Jorge Degenhardt announced that output will rise from 12 to 20 units annually, with the possibility of expanding to 30 if international demand continues to rise. Calling the global security climate completely insane, Degenhardt cited heightened strategic urgency as the primary driver behind this ramp-up. The Eurofighter Typhoon program, spearheaded by Airbus, BAE Systems, and Leonardo, has seen fluctuating production rates over the decades. During its peak in the Tranche 2 phase, annual output reached as many as 60 aircraft. In contrast, the years following early procurement phases from the UK, Germany, Spain, and Italy saw a tapering in output. By 2023, production had dwindled to around 14 units per year. Now, in response to a new wave of orders and increased interest from global partners, the manufacturing lines are accelerating once more. Current efforts are fueled by a series of substantial contracts. Germany has committed to 38 new Tranche 4 jets via the Quadriga deal and followed up with a further order for 20 aircraft in mid-2024. Spain, through its Halcón 1 and 2 programs, is acquiring 45 additional Typhoons for delivery over the next decade. Italy joined the surge with an order for 24 fighters in late 2024. These three agreements alone ensure the consortium has a production runway extending through at least 2032, enabling the 20 per year target to be met reliably. Meanwhile, other nations are keeping the production lines active. Qatar continues to receive aircraft from a prior deal and is weighing a follow-on purchase of 12 more units. Beyond existing customers, there's a significant pipeline of potential export deals. A PwC report from April 2024 estimates that between 150 and 287 Typhoons could be sold between 2023 and 2025, with most of those expected to go to new buyers. Prospective deals include a Saudi Arabian proposal for up to 60 more fighters, alongside interest from Austria, Greece, Portugal, and Poland. Turkey had also submitted a formal request for 40 units, but in April 2025, Berlin exercised its veto rights, suspending the export due to diplomatic strains and internal political disputes with Ankara. To ensure long-term industrial viability, the Typhoon Consortium is coordinating closely with the Global Combat Air Programme, GCAP, a sixth-generation fighter initiative led by the UK, Italy, and Japan. Until GCAP reaches full-scale production around 2035, the Typhoon will serve as a technological bridge. A major component of this transition is the UK's £204.6 million investment in the ECRS Mk2 radar, which is expected to be integrated into the Typhoon fleet by 2028, providing enhanced electronic warfare capabilities and preserving essential defense manufacturing expertise. Final assembly operations are spread across 4 nations: Germany, the UK, Italy, and Spain. To meet the increased production goal, these facilities will undergo synchronization efforts to boost efficiency across component suppliers, including Eurojet Turbo GmbH, engine production, Leonardo, and Hensoldt, radar systems. The Eurofighter program's modular architecture allows for each country to build standardized parts, promoting flexibility and scalability. Despite political hurdles, the Typhoon remains a core element of European aerial defense planning through the next decade. Its expanded production capacity reflects both renewed confidence in the platform and the urgent need for operational readiness in an unstable global environment. A multi-role powerhouse, the Typhoon is a twin-engine, Canard Delta wing fighter capable of engaging in both air superiority and ground strike roles. Outfitted with the Captor-M radar, Pirate infrared tracking, and the Praetorian defensive suite, it excels in complex mission environments. Its weapons portfolio includes long-range missiles like Meteor and AMRAAM, short-range Iris-T and OSRAAM, and precision strike munitions such as Brimstone and Storm Shadow. Advanced enhancements, including helmet-mounted displays, voice controls, and digital data links, make the aircraft a formidable force. Ongoing upgrades like Phase 1 enhancements and Project Centurion are ensuring the Typhoon's relevance well into the next generation of aerial warfare.